In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can have YouTube on your Windows. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge to bring up and open the Microsoft Edge. Click on it under the best match. Maximize this. In the address bar, simply type youtube.com. Okay, hit enter. And you will be directed into the YouTube window, and then click on the three dots right here on the top right corner, and then you'll find the option apps. Click on the install YouTube, click on the install button. That's it. You can also pin this to taskbar or pin to start if you want that. Click on allow. And now if I'm going to close the Edge browser and search for YouTube, we already have this on our windows. Okay, so you just have to wait for this to be open. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.